rest of this video. There were a few techniques that I hadn't tried before. I recently purchased a Tsuchime 36mm right-handed tool from Okada Tools out of Tokyo, Japan. This knife is very sharp out of the box. Mainly I'm using it to skive down some of the interior pieces so that the wallet doesn't get too bulky. In addition to that, I'm also using it as a sort of edge plane since I don't have one just yet, and this thing works perfectly. Also, I haven't used EcoWeld. It's a water-based, eco-friendly glue that you can use to glue up any of your pieces, and it works great. The idea behind this wallet was that I was tired of purchasing wallets that would fall apart over a couple years. I wanted something that was going to last a long time, something that wasn't made of fake leather that would just kind of deteriorate, or with Velcro that would just kind of pull apart over time. Ultimately, the idea came that I wanted to have some really nice curves to the design, and overall, I've learned a lot from my first wallet to this wallet. I hope the piece kind of speaks for itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. That shows me that you guys want to see more content, and I'm excited about putting out more videos for you. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comments and I will read them and get back to you in regards to if it's a tool or if it's a technique. Please let me know. Thank you guys so much. See you guys.